Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayla, also known as AKA. If you haven't been here already, I do fashion, thrifting, vlogs. Well, I'm gonna try and do vlogs. I don't know when that's gonna happen. I need to get up a bit of confidence first outside. But anyway, today I have for you a massive charity shop haul. I don't like to call them thrift hauls, but I do at the same time because people will click on it more. But also it's not really a thrift haul because it wasn't from any thrift shops. Thrift shops I think are way too expensive. But in terms of charity shopping, I have a massive haul. Now, a couple of these things I got only yesterday when I took myself out for a little solo trip. I find that I work best in a charity shop when I go by myself. I don't have the pressure of somebody over my shoulder. Even if they're a close friend, I just feel like I'm rushing a little bit. I like to look through every single item. I kid you not. I think I was in one of the charity shops yesterday and they were closing and I didn't realize they were closing, so I was so engrossed in just looking through everything. I have so many things. I have some men's shirts, I have some dresses. I don't even wear dresses, but I like to buy them at the charity shop apparently. Maybe I'm trying to get myself subconsciously into that kind of feminine style, but it's not really me. Anyway, let's just start. The first thing that I found, I just needed a hoodie. I have a couple of hoodies from ASOS and my black one I love, but the white one in particular, it just looks gross now. Like after being washed a couple of times, it literally just looks so gross. So I decided to get this hoodie. It is like a cream, oh my god, I thought there was a stain on it. It is like a cream colored hoodie. It has a bunch of like holes. It's from the brand Criminal Damage London. Yes, so this is the little tag that is on the back. Also has a little detail down the bottom where it says criminal damage here, and also like this little button, which is really cute. But I basically just needed a really plain hoodie, so that's what I got. I think this was £7 or something like that. Worth it for a hoodie. The next thing I got on that day was this top. This is a top from Raf Simons brand. I'm a bit obsessed with Raf Simons. I think that's the only reason why I bought this, because I would never buy something this color or B this style usually. It's like this moss green color with a maroon collar and maroon details. It reminds me of a school shirt. Anyway, it is Raf Simons and I decided to buy it because I thought I could make it look cool with some jeans. So I bought it. I think this was £5 or something like that. I can't remember now because it was a little while ago, but it just has the Raf Simons logo on the front there. It's embroidered and I think it's pretty cool. We'll see, hopefully I can make it work, but that was the second thing I got that day. The third thing I got, I think I bought this just because I bought the Raf Simons shirt. I'm not really sure, but it's like a similar color. A bit obsessed with green at the moment. So this is a Lee Cooper, I think probably a jacket that was cut into a little vest, and so I think it's really cute. The sleeves have obviously been cut off, so they're very like rough and ready to go. I also just really liked the pocket on this. I think this is really cute detail. Just a little embroidered Lee Cooper there in the blue. I just don't know, I really like that touch and I think it's really cool. I think this is one of those perfect items to wear during the summer. I'm not somebody who likes to show off their skin a lot of the time, it makes me self-conscious. So if I can wear it like a smaller top and then wear this over the top, it just feels like there's a bit of an extra cover there. So I really like that. The next thing I got on that day was this shirt. And I kid you not, I've probably worn this about 10 times since I bought it like 2 weeks ago. I love it. I love this shirt. I found this in the kids section. I think it was like £5, but it's worth it. It's this t-shirt. It's kind of like a dark grey browny colour and it has a little dinosaur and it says grrr. This is literally, is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? I just love it. I love it. Anyway, I've been wearing that a lot. It fits me better than like a baggy t-shirt in terms of like it actually fits my body. And I just really love it. This is actually Topman, but I got it from the charity shop. Another charity shop venture that I went on, I got a few things. The first thing was this shirt, which I absolutely love. I already posted pictures in it on Instagram. It is this nude, like beige coloured shirt. It has like that famous painting of the wave, but instead it has Magikarp from Pokemon jumping out of it, and I don't know, I just think it's cute. I think it looks cool, but it has a little Pokemon element. I do love Pokemon, so I don't know, I just really like this. I think it's really cute. It's very baggy, just love it. This one says UTGP Pokemon. It says the Global T-Shirt Design Competition. So this must have been a part of some kind of competition. But anyway, I really like it. I think that was probably about £5. Maybe I just don't remember any of the prices and I'm just saying £5. That could be a very realistic option. Something else I got on the day before when I bought all of those other things actually was these jeans. I'll show them in a try on clip, but they are from Monkey Jeans, and they're just really cute. I shall put them on properly in a try on clip. I think these were like £13, but I mean, for Monkey Jeans, that's pretty good. I really like them. They do have a couple of holes in them, but I know how to sew, so it's fine. The next shirt I got was this one. I know it doesn't look like much at first glance. However, I did pay £5 for this purely for the laugh factor. And you might not find it funny, but my partner's name is Will. We've been together for nearly 5 years. You probably already know that because most of the people that subscribe to me know me personally. But this shirt is red and it just says Will's. Before you say anything, no, I am not okay with being possessed like that. But I just thought it was really funny. Like, imagine me just wearing this and I'm just like, Will's, but nobody knows, but my partner's name is Will. I don't know, I just thought that was really cute. Anyway, it's from a brand called Jack Wills, which is why it says Wills on it. But just a bit of a joke shirt. The next thing I got that same day was these, and at first glance they don't look like much. They actually look really tiny. They're like just some little gym shorts. I think these were like £4 or something like that. However, you'll see on the try on clip, these make you look so good. This band is like massively tight and it just like pulls everything in. Not that everything needs to be pulled in, but you know what I mean. It just makes you feel a little bit more confident sometimes when you're at the gym. It doesn't need to, but it does just make me feel a little bit more confident at the gym. I don't usually wear shorts at the gym. I haven't actually worn these to the gym yet, but you know what? I decided to give it a go. They make my butt look good, they make my waist look good, and I just love them, and they're a cute colour as well, a bit different, you know? So yeah, don't know why I would super Aussie then. Anyway, there's these like dots on it that just give you like accentuation, and yes, that is that. The next part of this haul is sponsored by my yesterday's charity shop trip. None of that made sense in English grammatically, but it's fine. Okay, the first thing I found yesterday, I was just attracted to this by the print. I've never ever worn a dress like this because personally it's like quite a basic style, so I've never tried, but it's just literally a simple dress. It has like heaps of like ties at the back so you can make it look good, and it's like a midi length, which usually I wouldn't like. I don't know, I might end up like cutting this or something, I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, there's a massive cat outside. Can you see that cat? I literally love it. Anyway, back to regular programming. I got distracted by the cat. This dress, yes. Right, we're talking about this one. Yeah, I just really like the print. It is Collusion Studios is the brand, which I think is an ASOS brand, and I just think it's really cute. It's a UK 8. I haven't tried most of this on yet. For the rest of the haul, I haven't really tried any of this on yet. So you'll see how it all looks in the try on haul. If it doesn't fit me, you shall see that. But yes, I just think this is really cute. Whether I decide to change it into something different or keep it how it is, that's what we're doing. Oh, I forgot about this one. This was from one of the other days that I went charity shopping. I just fell in love with this kind of like material. So at first glance it just looks kind of psychedelic-y, but when you actually look up close, it's actually like a rainbow. I don't know, I really hope the camera is going to show you that, but it's like a rainbow speckled, but it's just kind of like has this chromy, glittery look, but it's really cute. I think this would look really nice under some crazy lights or something like that. And I like the neckline as well, just a V neckline. I think when I put this one on it wasn't too flattering, so I think I might alter it. I think I might alter it a little bit, take it in at the sides so it has more of like a pulls you in at the waist, because I think it's quite straight as it is. The next thing I got was just this simple t-shirt. I got this one yesterday. It's still wet because I washed it all last night. I heard this story about this girl that got ringworm, I think, from trying things on at the charity shop, so I do not try anything on before I wash it. I think it's pretty gross, so yes. But I just really liked this print on the front. I thought it would just look cute with some jeans, you know, simple outfit sort of thing, but has some colours as well that you can mix in there. And this actually feels quite nice. It's like silky, satiny. The next thing I got, I actually really like this. It's from Primark, funnily enough, but it's kind of in right now, I would say. Like these kind of skirts that just hug your waist and then they flow down. They have like kind of a culotte hem. I just think this print is really cute. Like look at, as you move, that would just look so nice walking. So I'm really excited to style this one. I don't ever wear anything like this. It is also see-through, I've just noticed, so we'll have to take care of that. It also has the little detail at the top. I think that is so cute. But yes, I just absolutely love this. I just love the print really the most, and the fabric feels quite nice as well, even though it's from Primark. Okay, the last two things I got were black dresses. So this first one is just a very simple LBD situation. It's kind of businessy from the front, like when you look at it from the front, apart from how short it is, it's quite a businessy kind of just plain shape. But then you turn it around. The back has these little 2 buttons at the top, and it has like a half back cutout to your waist. And I think this is going to cinch me in really nicely because it's like super stretchy. So I'm really excited to try this one out on actually. I think it would just be a really cute little black dress. This was the star of this entire haul. And you might not think so because it is quite plain. However, it is basically this gown. It is a halter neck. You're probably not even going to be able to see. It's a halter neck like this. You'll see it properly in the try-ons. Half back again like the other ones, like an open back situation. Floor length dress, and it has like a nice little slit on one side that probably goes up to like mid-thigh sort of thing. It's really hard to kind of show you. But yes, so it's just a floor length halter dress. This one is a UK 8 as well, so I'm really hoping it fits me. If not, I'll alter it. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It really motivates me to keep making videos when I get new subscribers. Comment if you haven't already as well, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you'd like to see. If you enjoy these thrift hauls, please let me know. Charity shop hauls, whatever, please let me know. I do love going to a charity shop, so I would love to keep doing these. But stay tuned for the next video. I will see you soon. Bye.